guys, and today we're going to be making a, I'm going to do a tutorial, and we're going to be making a list of things and going to a URL, and we're going to be using turbowarp for this, and I made my first video, so you'll be using now, but yeah, so this is my first thing I made, and this time, yeah, I'm just gonna hold this. Yeah, this is my old thing. Now, so yeah, this, you get this, and then you go to this, and then is it here? I don't know what to do. Okay, this. Yeah, you click that, and it'll add it. I already have it added, but yeah, you knew that. But then, now you have this. And then you click, you add show website. So yeah. I don't want to copyright, so yeah. Let's say, oh, I want to watch, I made a song earlier using Scratchbox. Or something else, I don't really want to get copyrighted, so yeah, I'm not going to really use YouTube. Just in case it does something like my face and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. But we could say, oh, I like this channel, or something. And yeah. And you don't really want to say for you that, oh no. Yeah, so this is just an example because yeah, this person does a whole bunch of scratch stuff. Hey, yeah, it's kind of unrelated, but yeah, now you just paste this in, and we have this. So yeah, this is one of my favorite YouTubers. We'll be hinting that, of course. We're pretending that this is our favorite YouTuber. And we put this in. You could put any URL in. Any URL, I'm pretty sure will work. But I don't know. But yeah, this is something pretty cool. And yeah. Then you want to be able to, yeah. Now you want to change this out with with sprite clicked. And you can see this will literally look. This looks like a blob. I mean, the break thing, it's not really that good of a button, so you would either erase this and add something good if you want to. What? I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, so yeah, we bury everything and go erasing anything, so yeah. But now, let's go to text. And then this add. We're going to be only using 2 things for our list today because it gets complicated, a whole bunch. But for this, we're just going to say polymorphs live. You know what? I'm just going to do polymorphs live. Yeah, then, yeah, you have vids. And when we want to add in, you have to also click set. You have to set, you have to do also another thing. Just a whole bunch of this, and then what is a good, okay. Let's set this to 300 and then just run it. So if I click this, okay. Okay, so I actually changed my mind because I think Scratch itself might be a good idea. So you can work with Scratch. Yeah, that would be kind of crazy. It's a good Scratch in Scratch. But yeah, that's some of the things you can do in this, I'm pretty sure. So let's do this. But okay, so you now also need to do something that's hide iframe when the flash clicked. That's a very good reason. And then make allow. So it's not connecting, and I don't know why, but maybe there's something better you can use. maybe some stuff is kind of strict with it. Okay, let's just find. I'm just gonna find something in my site real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this. So yeah, if nothing really works, oh, this is perfect. My thing, we can call this my project. So yeah, I'm sorry, to make it a second, but yeah, you do this now. So you. Yep, that's pretty cool. And yeah, we have a reason for it to be 300. Yeah, so we have the thing. Let's of course go over here and rename this thing to my special project. So yeah, my special project, even though it's not special, we're just pretending it is, like that's what I'm doing. But yeah, we can click this. So yeah, my special project. Oh, it still shows up when we do that. So that's a problem, and it follows a cursor. So we literally want to. Also, when display is correct, we want to go to looks anyway, and hide. And we are going to also now need another button. We're going to call this done. And yeah, so done. And yeah, we use done. And you put this into the center of our thing. And yeah, and then we want to make, let's see, where is done? Oh, we have to probably, so this is our project, and then we have to go to this or something. But so done. We drag this into the corner now. And when I click my special project, I need to do something real quick. If your thing is out of place, just undrag this. And then what? Okay, also with flag click show. That's important. With flag click show. So show the thing that you can still. This is. Okay, so yeah, my special project. Now you put this in. And of course, there's no cursor following me, looking so weird. And then now we have this, and click done. It doesn't do anything. Well, that's because when clicked, you have to go to, you have to broadcast message 1 and wait. Or actually, just this. But still, now we have to open. When I receive message 1 appear. Show. Because yeah. And then we go to iframe and then hide. Yeah. Okay, so now done. Really weird stuff. Okay. It would. Oh, I put. Okay. Yeah, actually, you have to put. Let's click. I'm sorry. But now click that. My special project. Open it back up. And then click done. Okay, so yeah, this is. Yeah, that's the first one. So we have our first project. So yeah, a first link. So a first link tab for our thing. Now we have to do the same thing, but with a new sprite. So yeah, we're only using 2. So let's just add a split. This it's gonna be. Let's go back to my website, and then I'm just gonna go rename this. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to my website, type visit And this is one of my, I can copy visual. I would put cubes. I upload it to my site, but you don't have to. And yeah, it is my glove patch. One of the best portions. And yeah, this tutorial. Yeah, he would never change this tutorial. But yeah, doesn't mean it's better. It's still something. It's still something. It doesn't mean it's better than glove patch tutorials. Anyway, so let's say cubes by glyph patch. And then, yeah. Okay, yeah. And then you put cubes by glyph patch under it. Yeah, you don't have to do the same exact thing as me. So yeah. I'm sorry if you can hear the background noise. But anyway. My special project in cubes by glyph patch. So cubes by glyph patch. Yeah. So cubes by glyph patch. So now we have a new thing. So yeah. We have to have a new thing. So now we have to broadcast message. Let's make a new message. And then message. You can do whatever you want. So yeah, message 2. Broadcast message 2. And when I message 2, then you so let's click hide. I'm sorry if you hear background noise, but anyway, show. That's our show. This is hide. So that anyway, and then also just drag on some of this stuff. Yeah, you still want to keep this, and you want to put your new thing in that. Okay, you should still click that, and also you have to when I receive message 1 and then show. I'm pretty sure. That's it. So I receive message 1. Also duplicate this exact thing, but then take the show off. And then go to when the flag clicked, and then click show. Then you can delete this block. And then now you should have everything good. So yeah, this is message 2, broadcast message 2. Maybe receive message 2. Make sure that this in here. And now when I receive message 2, hide. So let's check out our project, and I need to see what's missing. Done. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Done. Go ahead and click done. Everything is normal. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're seeing that. Yep. So I'm pretty sure that did it. And yeah, I'm just good. Yeah, you package the project like normal, and then you go to this. And yeah. Now project 5, and then you again I need to upload it to my thing now because it's not surprising as I did this in the last video. And this is not gonna be as long as last time. Just gonna show you project test. No, project 5 was my name. Test. The tutorial test. And then yeah, HTML. Tutorial test HTML. So yeah, go to tutorial test HTML. make sure you copy this, whatever your name is, and then let's see, did we do it? My special project. Yeah, this is my project done. Excuse my good pass. Sometimes you have to click it a whole bunch. Sometimes and this is cubes. And yeah, you can still have the sound. I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, yeah. You will hear the sound for it. And yeah, I don't know how to make this. Wait, how do I make this? Well, I could still always put out. Okay, yeah, so it does come from that. And yeah, you have to click, you can still click back into the page and then the sound will stay in there. So yeah, the sound will stay when you do that. But yeah, it still doesn't matter because, yeah, it does that sound. This is a basic tutorial of how to make a website list. And you could, of course, add lots more with that same coding that I did. And then the whole website list added to your websites. And if you have a checklist of other websites or website URLs on your website for other people to see, and you can post the list anywhere you want. It'll be super cool, and it can literally load inside of the old HTML. Yeah, and that'll be really cool. Everybody will think that it's really cool that you made that if they ever see it. So you could probably grow your website really popular by using this technique. And yeah, I'm not going to talk for much longer. Use this if you want to create a website list, and use this if you don't like HTML. Use this if you know block coding but not HTML. Bye.